The bit. I see the chats, bro. Where's the chats? Oh, oh. I'm gonna tweet.
Bilis one.
What is up, guys?
Dami.
Been a while. Kumusta kayo? Excited na ba kayo para sa episode 11? We're so excited, guys. Malapit na. Lang, I think 11:30. What? 13 minutes na lang, bro. Hinam. Yeah. Problem dito sa chats. It's so fast, dude. How can I make this slower? I cannot even read, bro.
Kaya ako na magbabasa. Huwag kayo mag-chat para
Yeah,
bumagal.
isa-isa lang, guys. Mag-usap-usap kayo.
Ayan.
One
Ikaw muna una, Panda.
one
Yan.
person every 10 seconds. Well, yun, gusto ko lang hi sa inyo. I'm sorry. I've been really busy. And yeah, actually, after ng shoot ng My Husband is a Mafia Boss, I felt like parang na-burnout ako. So I just really needed a break from everything. Yeah, I went to Japan. Nag-work ako doon and extended. Sobrang food trip. I haven't gone to the gym in a while actually. Parang almost 1 month na yata. So right now I'm just really hibernating. And yeah, actually na-miss ko kayo. Just want to say hi to all of you and sana okay kayo. Um, yeah, sobrang bilis. That's request to join. Who's this? Cute ko, di ba? Who's that? Who's this guy? He's trying to request to join. Bro, sorry. We're not that close, man. Yeah. Yeah. So are you guys all seated para sa episode 11? Guys, malapit na yung
11:40
episode
na.
12 or 13. Yun ang pinaka bam na episode. So, onting tiis na lang. Malapit na. Ikaw, kamusta yung bakasyon mo?
Okay naman. Ikaw, ang kamusta ang
Okay naman,
bakasyon?
okay naman. Nakapagpahinga. Pero anong mga ginawa mo? Nagagawa mo? Okay na ba kayo ni ano?
Sino? Sabi na trap to eh.
Hindi, hindi, hindi.
Hindi, hindi, hindi.
Hi, A.
Hi.
Hi, A.
Hi.
Hindi, ano nga ginawa mo? Ano mga ginawa mo?
Hindi, na-miss ko kayo eh.
Bakit?
Anay na.
Oh,
Tagal
may
din ah.
22 viewers request. Sorry guys, medyo kinakapa ako pa ng TikTok live.
3 po.
So ano ba? Ano pang mga ginawa mo? Ba't namamagana naman yan?
Hindi, nag-basketball kasi kami.
Oh,
Isang
musta?
araw. Lalaro nga to.
Oo nga pala guys, magkita-kita tayo sa kailan ulit yun? August. When is that again? Wait. Kailan yan, bro? I think nasa ano yun eh, Viva... that. Teka, naalala ko, sinend ko kay ano yun eh.
Yan. August 16.
Yeah, magkita-kita tayo guys sa August 16 sa Araneta Coliseum para sa Viva 1. What's that?
Viva All-Star Games.
Viva All-Star Games. Siyempre, makakasama ko doon sila Gab Lagman, Marco Gallio, Wilbert Ross, Jerome Ponce,
Yay.
ako basahin ko, PJ Rosario, Jack Abellana, Kyosu Ginto, Martin Beniegas, Dan Aquino, Jerome Ponce, Rabin, Jairus. Yeah, magkita-kita
Jerome?
tayo. And yeah, it's like less than 2 months. So, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Na-miss ko kayo, aking mga anak.
Dami nila, ah.
Ilan na ba viewers natin?
6.
Okay, let's check. I'm gonna check.
Katniss daw. Ano?
Oh, by the way, guys, this is Nyla. Ito yung may leukemia, but you know, she's fighting leukemia like a champ. Nyla, say hi. Come here. Come. She's fighting leukemia like a champ. Oh, see? I'm a champion. I'm a champion. Baby. Baby.
Ilang pusa
Say hi
daw
to them.
meron ka?
Hello. Depende. Anong klaseng pusa ba yan?
Lahat ng pusa dito sa
Almost, I
bahay.
think, at this point, I think 19? 19 yata, 19. Shh, hey! Dude, nag-aaway na yung ibang ano dito, medyo territorial kasi yung iba eh. Hoy, hey! Stop that! Shh! Ano pa mga sabi?
Sige.
Buti nakokontrol mo dyan. Dito hindi eh.
Dito. Mabilis, oh. Sobrang. Yan.
Nasaan ba si mom? Busy yata si mom eh.
Yan.
Busy yata si mom. So, I'm sure naka-break din yun. Napagod din yun. Siyempre, bilang Amy. Sobrang nakapagod rin yung role niya. Tsaka yung binigay namin talaga sa Mafia Boss, ibang, to be honest, talaga, feeling ko na ubos ako. Ubos talaga ako dun sa Mafia Boss. But it's so worth it kasi, you know, kitang-kita naman natin yung result and yung quality. Kaya I'm so thankful and grateful for the opportunity to play Ezekiel Roswell. So yeah, I'm looking forward. Sana talaga matuloy ang season 2. Sana tulungan nyo kami na matuloy yun and spread the word, of course, na you know, stream legally. Kasi up to now, ang dami pa rin nag-stream na illegally. So kailangan namin ng tulong nyo. I think I should invite Himes.
Ay,
My TikTok buddy.
miss mo daw ba si Ren?
Oo naman. Lagi ko naman nami-miss yun eh. Mga bituin nakatingin sa ating dalawa. Come here. Come here, baby. Come. Come here. Come. Jump. Come here. Jump. Jump.
Kuya Owen, ano na?
Ano ne? How do you invite here? Guys, may kakaroon tayo ng special guest. Si Moo,
Good.
ang aking TikTok live buddy.
Si Jaime. So, galing na yung maglaro.
Beast mode, bro. Beast mode. Parang si ano, paano ba siya? Ano ba siya? Parang si Chandler Parsons
Para
maglaro.
siya si Wade.
Wade?
Sobrang galing.
Sino? Dean Wade?
Wade.
D. Wade. Yung sa ano, Cavs. Shooter yun ah. Dean Wade. Wait. Ano to?
Kayo daw talaga.
View? What's this? Turn off notifications to live view? Wait, where is it? Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Saan si Himes? Can't find you, bro. Jaime Iliana. Ito yun, di ba? Ito yung
Ah,
manage guests.
wala pa, Jaime.
Siguro mamaya, try kami mag-interview ng mga guest. But for now, mamaya na, guys. Let's try to settle down first.
40. So. Ah. Miss? Ano nami-miss mo sa ano?
Si Mom. Hoy. Sino pa ba?
Hindi nakakamiss si Ren.
Tsaka yung set, syempre. Sila Direk. Syempre, yung boys ko. Hey!
Brother, what's good?
What it do, bro?
How are you?
How are you, bro?
Joseph Marcos in the building.
Bro, I'm with Owen.
What's up, Owen?
How are you, brother?
Kakagaling lang namin sa office. We did the Viva Beauty.
Viva Beauty? For what?
Yeah, the makeup thing.
How was it?
Like, it was good. 3 hours though.
What the? 3 hours?
Yeah.
Bakit
3 hours kami
Ganun katagal?
like we were selling products like this one.
What's that?
Face mask.
Oh, I think you have to share that to me, bro.
Oh, dude, yeah, for sure. It's Viva product pa. Honestly, give it a try. It's sobrang refreshing.
Nice, nice. I just finished
Yeah, dude, how-
playing Frag Punk, bro.
Ah, dude, sayang. Di ako nakasali.
Tomorrow. It's a free day tomorrow. Do it.
Tomorrow.
Dude, do you want to join me for
Honest-
live reaction? I'm doing
Nang
episode 11.
episode. Sige, game. Ah, kaya ka naka-live.
Yeah. Hindi, tsaka kasi
Okay.
ang tagal ko rin parang off sa social media. Because, to be honest, na-burn out talaga ako
Right.
sa ginawa natin. But I'm very fulfilled and happy. So I just needed a break. And now,
Yeah, dude, of course. Like,
andito
if
na.
people just know how much effort you put on Mafia Boss.
You, bro. You. Proud of you, brother. Proud of you.
Honestly, I don't deserve the credit yet, but you, bro, you deserve it. Like,
We all deserve it.
dude, yung workouts mo for all that time.
Humina daw audio namin.
Mina,
Nga. Hello?
Humina ba?
Yan. Check,
this
check.
one better.
Actually,
Mic check,
may pagka-echo eh.
What?
Like, naririnig ko sarili ko.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, is it because you're watching the live? There.
No. It's because we're using speakers.
Okay, yeah, wala na.
Yan, okay na ba?
Yeah, better.
But you can still hear
Is
me.
this
Okay,
better? Is this
perfect.
better?
Yes.
Okay.
Pwede na tayo pang live. Alright, let me charge my laptop para masama kita.
Mahina pa rin? Huh?
Kaya,
I think it's good.
Are you serious? Check my.
I think you guys need to wear earphones.
Check. Yeah, better. Hello.
Oh yeah,
Is this better now, guys? Sino nagsabing mahina? Mahina daw eh. What the heck? I don't understand.
Lumakas na. May delay siya, Lumakas na siya. Yes. May delay kasi. Pero lumakas na.
Check. Hello.
okay na daw. Okay na. Okay.
I think,
Brother.
sino pa pwede natin invite?
I was just with Frost a while ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How's he?
He seemed tired, but I think you could ask him to watch then.
Oh, I'll message him now.
Go ahead. Guys, mudong kasi to, mudong. Like, you guys need to accept na mudong talaga yung malakas. Ano, Owen, kamusta yung basketball niyo nung nakaraan?
Pare, grabe. Patay
Pag-
ang training, dude.
Oo nga eh. Sayang di tayo nakasama nung first time. Pero, good luck to you guys.
What do you mean first time? Nung ano?
Nung tryouts.
Tryouts.
Yeah, kasama ako doon eh. We were like 18 people.
Sabi.
Yeah.
Ano yun, nag-training kayo or scrimmage agad?
Training and scrimmage.
Ano rin, pinatakbo rin kayo talaga?
Yeah, of course. Pang warm-ups din.
Pare, yung amin 3 hours, dude. Like,
Damn.
dude, it was dead.
Bro.
pang varsity yung ano. Pang varsity.
Kaso, oo nga eh. Joseph Marco na yun eh. Malakas na yun mag-basketball eh.
Hindi, gagi. Wala ako sa condition, man. I have to run. Top viewers. What do you mean by top viewers?
Top viewers is yung who's been watching the longest. So, nung nagsimula ka ng live, hindi sila umaalas or longest
okay.
time.
Okay, so shout
Or-
out to Chanel 2021,
Right?
our top one, and of course my Joseph Alex family.
Yeah.
Love you guys. And to
Unless
Jenny-
sila yung nag-gift the most. Meron din ganun. Top gifters.
to Jenny, to Yen, to Yumiko. What's that? Mario? How do you pronounce that? Number 6. Oh, nawala na siya. To Shania
Oh.
Kim, to Shi Sheng. Oh, that's a nice name, Shi Sheng. Hi, Shi Sheng. And to May,
Ay, may audio.
Sushi Finds.
Ay, ano meron sa audio ko?
Lakas.
Masyado malakas?
Ah.
Paano ko hinahin?
Parang ano siya. Nag-feedback.
Yan.
Better?
Ano ba?
I didn't do
Wala pa rin yung
anything.
mic. Hindi pa rin okay.
Hindi sa'yo okay.
Okay, ano meron sa akin?
Dude, can you call Frosty?
Honestly,
5
if he's not
minutes to
answering,
go, guys.
it means he's
Teka, paano
probably
yan?
asleep.
Manunod ba kayo? Or, what? Manunod ba
Yeah,
kayo? Or manunod kayo ng live reaction?
Sabay. Sabay.
Yung
Sabay.
kaliwa mata. Live reaction yung kaliwang mata. TikTok live. Ayun, may nagsabi, volume ain't good.
Volume ain't good. Ako pa rin ba?
Check mo nga dyan, dude. Check, i-on mo nga yung ano. Check, hello. Hi.
Okay sa amin.
Okay naman ah.
Okay sa amin, guys.
Baka delayed lang yung
okay.
sa kanila.
Baka, guys, baka yung ano nyo, yung cellphone nyo may problema.
Oh,
Mo ng paggawa yan,
Parang
dude.
kay Jaime yung
maingay ba?
Hindi naman ah. Okay naman ah.
I feel like tama lang eh.
medyo ano,
Parang sabog lang.
medyo sabog.
Do you
Mas
have,
better
do you
ba
have a
kung
mic?
walang mic?
Microphone talaga.
Is it better if no microphone?
Oh yeah, parang okay to. Parang okay to.
Yeah, usually kasi when I go live, no microphone. I just put it on para marinig kita. Alright, 5 minutes. Do you know what's gonna show this episode?
Episode, actually, nag-dinub ko to some few scenes. Episode na to, ano pa yung mga dinub ko? Oh, shit! Ito na yung ano. Dude, wag na natin spoil, pero, yeah. This is gonna be a fun episode.
May eksena tayo.
Wala tayo. Pero ewan ko kung may eksena kayo ni Amy. Or ewan ko, baka may ano ka dito, may Mafia World ka. Kasi ito na yung sunod-sunod mo eh. Di ba?
Yeah, sunod-sunod na to, pero honestly, I don't know what's gonna be shown here. Like, kasi yung pacing, diba, it's not the same anymore as the script where it's like, episode 10, this is what happens, episode 11.
Wala na, ano na tayo, na-move na nung na-move eh. So, starving.
Yes, 3 minutes na lang.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
We're gonna eat. Ha? Hindi.
Walang magmo-move on, Mudong.
Mudang for life.
Connect natin yung heart.
Gagi, ba't ganyan? Sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Balik.
Kabila
Ayun
ka.
sa akin.
Yan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ay, wait. Picture lang.
Okay.
Wait.
God giving you.
Show me what's real.
Nakita niyo yung post ko sa IG, yung puro story, tapos isang picture lang.
Ano yun?
Check mo nga sa Instagram ko. Kasi nag-post ako 20 pictures, pero same lang, tapos iba-iba yung song. Sa stories ko lang. Tignan mo din, Owen, nakakatawa siya.
Eh.
Ha?
Paulit-ulit lang yung picture. Yeah, ang taas din ng engagement dyan eh.
Uy, ito na, 1 minute. We
Alright,
are about to watch. Oh, where is it?
I'm ready.
Where did it go?
Same time tayo mag-start para walang mauna.
Wait.
Bilang ka, Himes.
Yeah. Ay wait, may delay pala sa live. Okay, basta we'll try our best na ipagsabay.
Wait wala pa kami dun eh.
Go ahead. Wala pa din naman sa Vivo 1. But dude, you know, it's a good thing that you thought about doing a live reaction kasi honestly,
Yeah.
no one in Mafia Boss have done it.
Oh yeah? This is the first time?
Yeah, this is a first.
Sheesh.
Yeah, tapos syempre nandito ka, so.
Wala, bumabawi na ako sa mga sa children namin,
Some-
bro.
the-
Been a
the
while
kids.
since the last time na nakapag-update ako.
Alright guys,
How come it's still
Nandito na.
not loading?
I think refresh. Wala pa dun sa akin.
It says new, but I can't click it. Oh, there you go. Let's go.
No amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom.
With Bloom Fresh Technology. Ang sampay sa loob,
I'm here
amoy
din.
kulob. Sa Charm Fabcon.
ACS.
Let's go.
Alright guys.
Guys, enjoy. This is it. Episode 11.
Amy, stay here. Yuko ka lang. Stay low.
Bakit?
Mas okay mag-sound trip kapag nakayuko.
Kasi kamukha mo yung bida.
Mas okay mag-sound trip pag nakayuko.
Kung kaya man, Steve, paano na kung tanga dito mag-isa nagsa-sound trip ah?
Guys, para sa lahat ng nakabasa ng scene na to, what do you guys think about this scene na pinalabas last week?
Dave, bakit
Itong car chase.
Busy
Are you still there, bro?
gagawin ko!
I'm here.
Oh,
Sinabay ko lang yung watch natin.
So, paano yung third target?
Good one.
You have to kill her as well, yeah?
Min.
Mahal mo talaga yung
Ring
asawa mo, no? Mahal na mahal. Paano ba nalalaman yun? I found that to be the
Okay, ano
safest
yun? Jaime
and
yun?
most suitable way
Wala akong audio eh. Wala akong
you
volume.
and my husband. I love him.
Ginagamit ko lang yung audio niyo.
And I always will. I think we need to remove all of this trash.
Yak!
Sige, ganito. Sasabihin ko sa'yo ang mga signs ng in love, okay?
Sige.
Dude! Kamukha mo talaga yung bida dito. Di ba, Owen?
Ang unang sign, kapag may kakaibang feeling ka na kung lalapit o didikit siya sa'yo. Meaning nun, in love ka na.
Wow.
Tara, kain tayo.
Why are you stuttering, wife? May problema pa?
Wala. Gutom lang ako. Tara.
Grabe ang mga tinginan.
Parang ano, nalagkit.
Di ako kinikilo.
Selos. Nagsiselos ako. Grabe. Ay, dating talaga eh. Honestly, there's a part here. They haven't shown it until now.
I love you, barbecue. Oh! The barbecue scene, bro.
Ito na yun?
Hobby, si Fiona pala, girlfriend mo. Uy, wala, okay ka lang? Dati sa kape ka lang nasasamid ngayon pati sa tubig.
Fiona was my girlfriend.
Ayun.
Kasi yung nagpunta siya dun sa ospital, sabi niya, girlfriend mo pa din daw siya.
What, she was there? Did she do anything to you?
Wala. Mabait nga siya eh. Nag-offer pa siyang bantayan ka.
Did you let her?
Siyempre hindi, no?
You bitch!
Pangalawa, kapag
Naalala ko yung
lalapitan siya o kakausapin siya ng ibang babae.
Nakakatawa.
Ngayon,
In love na nga ba talaga ako kay Zik?
Wala, lubog mudong guys. Bakit mukhang AI si Dong? Guys, yung quality kasi ng camera niya sobrang ganda.
Mukhang AI daw. Yeah, the quality.
Di sa mga dyan.
Real camera, no?
Using FX3.
Damn.
Parang si Angel.
What? Wait, what's this?
Oh.
Oh. Yo, Joseph! Huwag ka tumingin! Wow! Ano yan? Grabe, kita pa yung tubig sa... Kita pa yung tubig ah.
Uy, teka lang naman dong. Sa baba ka muna. Magbibis lang ako.
Ay, sus, ayaw niya bumaba.
Dude, na-conscious si Zeke.
Grabe.
Ikaw ba naman nakita mo yung ano eh?
Kailangan ko ba siyang dali ulit sa ospital? Baka mamaya kung paano na naman yun ah. Zeke, teka lang. Zeke!
Shit.
May trauma na siya.
What's the matter? Ayaw mo magkotse? Gusto mo maglakad?
Kasi... Hindi kaya mangyari ulit yung nangyari last time.
It's not gonna happen, babe. Not gonna
I
let
cannot
it happen.
promise you it won't happen again.
Ganyan ka pala manood?
But I can promise you.
Oh, pag
That
car
I will
chase ka,
protect you
bilisan
the
mo,
best I can."
bilisan mo! Ang tanga naman, oh!
Ayun. Kung saan kayo masaya, dun ako nasaktan.
Naramdaman mo dyan?
Hindi, pero Joseph, kasi nakayakap ko na din si Ren sa mga eksena. Medyo malambing yung yakap niya, diba?
Parang may ibig ganun ah.
Lo, pakiramdam mo, lagi
Malambing.
kang ligtas kasi kasama mo siya.
Si Renny.
Para bang
may
tumigil yung mundo mo. Ganun.
May chance.
Alam mo yung nabesa mo na once, and then pag nakita mo ulit, nabesa mo ulit.
7:45 na! Di ba 8 AM na meeting natin?
Let's go.
Mali naman yung sinabi ni Louie, sinungaling. Di naman tumigil yung oras eh. Uy! Zeke, wait lang!
Suma, bro.
Kaya nga eh. Tapos ito rin.
Anong klaseng office to?
Good morning, Mr. Mrs. Roswell.
Roswell Corp.
Why are you still here?
Excuse me, Mr. Roswell?
I don't want to see your fucking face anymore.
You cannot fire an executive without
Lutong
any
nun,
concrete
lutong.
evidence. On what you think I did?
Ruthless.
Zeke,
Ganyan ba yung totoong Joseph?
hindi ka pa rin gusto.
Layo. Layo, bro.
Ang lala. Evidence. So it means there's a possibility that you are guilty.
Okay na, Apex.
Okay, we will going to give you another chance to tell us the truth.
Okay na, Apex. 5 na sila eh.
Ikaw ba
Ano ba yung Owenatics? Tinatanong din ako eh. Ikaw ba yung Owen?
This is harassment!
Owenatics din ako.
I agree with the CFO. You cannot ask such questions in front of the entire board. That's unprofessional.
Oh!
The fuck she do here?
I dubbed this one, dude.
Yung line na yun.
Let me remind all of you that you all work in Roswell Corporation. Roswell and my husband owns the company. And by interfering with his decisions, you are doing the company a great disservice. You should be all ashamed of yourselves. Kakagaling lang ng asawa ko sa operasyon.
And as for you,
I am giving you a lifetime suspension, Miss Sagwa.
It's Sigwa, you can't!
Yes, I can! Because I am the CEO's wife, and I am giving you a lifetime suspension. It doesn't violate anything in the bylaws.
That's my girl.
Wow.
But that's the same as firing me!
No, it's not. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-apply sa ibang kumpanya habang nagtatrabaho ka dito. Obligado ka pa rin gawin ang trabaho mo bilang CFO without bonuses, salary, which means...
It's worse than firing you.
Hey.
Galing ng chemistry nyo.
It's worse than firing.
Bakit ka natatawa? Wala namang nagjo-joke.
Galing ng chemistry
Alright,
nito,
everyone,
guys.
let's stop wasting time and get on with the meeting, shall we?
This meeting is exclusively for board members. You're not needed here.
This meeting is about the toy industry, which I'm helping your wife with, Ezekiel.
Oh, tutulungan naman pala niya ako eh.
Oh, you don't know her.
Hindi! Kilala ko siya!
Owen,
Siya si
patanong nga
Fiona
sa-
Stonehurst.
patanong mo kung Owenatics siya.
Okay natin.
Of course, of course.
Yan o, presidente yan.
Number 1.
Bakit
Gusto
ka ba
gusto
tawa
ang
ng
song
tawa?
choices ni Owen.
Why?
Di ba
Is
sa
there
lahat
something
ng
wrong with
comment?
being happy?
Owen, ikaw ba to? Owen, song choice mo ba to?
Hindi ako yan
Sorry to interrupt your sweet moments, but shall we start?
Ay, sige po, go lang. Sweet moments daw. Bakit ka na parang lumalakas yung tibok ng puso ko.
Inilig ko. Paano
Yun. Walang ngipin.
Walang ngipin.
Ay! Ano? Bakit hindi na pink? Tsaka saan yung mga dolly dolls ko?
Hi, Amy. That's your desk over there. Have a seat.
Ang pangit.
Uy, bakit naman ganito yung upuan ko? Parang trip to Jerusalem.
Amy, I threw out all of your trash. I wanted to make it look a little more professional. I dislike messy workplaces, don't you?
Dito ka na magtatrabaho? Bakit ang dami namang bakanting opisina?
Well, I thought it would be nice if we could all work together in one space where I can make sure na tama ginagawa mo. After all, I am your company supplier and partner for your new venture into the toy industry.
Yeah,
Show your butt.
You'll be dead soon, Amy Roswell.
Show them your butt.
Yeah, G.
Hala.
Cover.
Which cat is that, Joseph?
This is the one from the bar.
Sino ba itong si Yaji?
Yeah.
Bakit alam niya mama?
I know.
Eh, buti na lang, he took care of it.
I know, dude. He's the sweetest, bro. I'm so lucky that I found her.
Ano baka mamaya?
Super
Member
sweet
to ng
cat.
kwarto. Nakakakilabot naman.
So, is Ezekiel coming?
Di ko alam. You should have asked him.
Nabasa ko yun,
not
ang
me.
cute ng
Bitch.
pussy mo.
He's your husband. You should know.
Mali.
No, the cat. Pussycat.
Yep,
Pussycat.
pussycat. Ooh. What just happened?
Pangarap ko talaga
What the fuck happened here? And what the hell are you doing here?
Excuse me?
The last time I was here, everything was pink, and it was filled with dolls.
Yeah.
Zeke. Si Fiona yung may gawa. Iniba niya yung office.
Look, Ezekiel, I'm sorry, but you don't have a choice. I'm your partner now. In fact, I supply the toys to your company.
I did not agree to that. In fact, I don't like you working with my wife.
Well, your wife doesn't seem to have a problem working with me. Right? Amy?
Oh, eto na. Mag-iihaw na.
See, and in fact,
Dude,
Pretty sure
I'm
I
so
did you guys
excited
a
for the
favor.
ihaw scene.
I mean, look at this place.
Dude, honestly,
I know you like things.
hindi ako sure
executive
kung anong scene yung
Stop
mangyayari.
acting like you know what I want. What I don't like is how you changed what my wife did. Let's go.
Wait. Kung uwi kayo, can I hitch a ride with you guys? My car broke down kasi.
No.
Sige.
Nakaka-bad trip tong Fiona na to.
Nakakaawa naman kasi si Fiona, di ba? Napagalitan na nga siya.
No
Tapos,
way!
nasiraan pa siya ng kotse. Tsaka, baka kaya ganyang kapangit yung attitude niya kasi walang magandang nangyayari sa kanya. Dapat lang naiuwi na namin to. Baka mamaya kung ano-ano pa yung bagong niya dito sa office eh.
Fine.
Great. Maybe you want to get some food on the way home, Ezekiel?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, honestly, I'm starving.
Wife,
but
I'm asking you. Are you hungry?
Hindi ako gutom daw.
Okay, let's go
Why?
then.
Wait, but I said I'm starving.
The hell I care.
Yun.
Zeke! Ma-drive-thru na lang tayo para kay Fiona kasi kawawa naman siya. Mukha siyang gutom na gutom.
I am starving.
What's this? Hindi, iba pa pala.
Wait.
Iba pala. Mamaya pa ya. Ay! Tama ba? This... Yeah, I think baka enter. Suot ka na naman? You gotta stop scratching yourself.
This meeting is exclusively for board members.
This meeting is about the toy industry, which I'm helping your wife with, Ezekiel.
Wife. Are you sure you're okay working with Fiona?
Okay lang. Nakakainis lang siya kasi tinapon niya yung iba kong dolly-dolls eh. Pero kasi sabi dun sa book na nabasa ko, be professional daw, kaya okay lang.
Okay then.
Zeke, saan ka nga pala pumunta kanina bago ka bumalik ng office?
Lamperouche and I just dealt with some business matters. How about you?
Huh?
I saw your face earlier when I entered the office. You seem to be in deep thought. Is something bothering you?
Ayun ba? Wala, may iniisip lang ako.
About?
Huwag ko muna sabihin sa kanya yung tungkol sa Yaji, no? Kasi hindi ko pa naman kilala kung sino siya.
Sino ba si Yaji?
Ang cute pala ng pangalan ni
Yaji?
Yaji.
What the hell, Yaji?
It's about the Philippines! Gusto kong tulungan umunlad ang Pilipinas!
So boring. If I were a customer, I wouldn't buy these.
Hindi ka naman customer eh.
Oh. Nice.
Tingnan mo nga kung boring.
In fairness sa designs ni Amy
Feeling ko biased ka, Joseph eh.
Hindi, maganda talaga, oh.
Yung mga pinili ko talagang design.
Para siyang
Mysterious
para siyang
picture.
Pop Mart.
Parang si Zeke.
Maganda yung dolls or maganda yung gumawa?
Tao, kapag madalas mo na siyang ikumpara o ihalin tulad sa mga bagay-bagay,
It's a tie.
Hindi. Iris.
They're interesting.
Ezekiel, I think you should take a look at these for consideration.
Wala! Parang a-attend ng Halloween party yung
Bias niya. Bias.
It's quite it's heavy. It's heavy. The energy is heavy.
Dahil mo sinabi
Okay. Di pa nga niya nakita. Pangit ka agad.
Wala, inaabot pa lang eh.
Wala.
You know what? I prefer my wife's choice.
Ooh. I prefer my wife's choice.
Ano Yaji na to? Bakit niya ako pinapadala ng daily horoscope? Replyan na.
Yaji.
Kuya. Yaji.
Bad kitty, ha? Bad kitty.
Ewan ko kung ate ka ba. Pwede mo bang ma-feng shui ang bahay namin ni Zeke? Pati na rin ang bahay ng mami ko. Para iwas bad luck. Thank you. P.S. Thank you for sending my daily horoscope for free. Send. Yeah.
Ezekiel, you gonna go for lunch?
Ay! Ito na ba yung eksena na yun?
Yeah.
My
Sa
wife and I have a
barbecue.
date. We're going to have lunch at her mother's place.
Yay! Miss ko na si Mommy!
Let's go.
Enjoy.
Oh, the scene.
Alright.
Sandali lang ha. Ito na yung juice. Eto. Mommy! Wow, baby! Zeke! Buti napadpad ka ulit dito.
Good afternoon po, madam.
Mami, ang dami niyo po palang customer. Tulungan na po namin kayo magtinda ni Dodong. Ha?
Oh, wow.
Talaga? Okay lang?
Dude, pinagtinda niya si Dodong. What?
Oo nga yung mafia boss.
This is the first mafia boss.
Ikaw taga-ihaw,
na
tapos
nakikita
ako taga-kuha ng
kong
order.
ihaw. In fairness,
May isaw ba dyan?
Flexible. Meron.
Ayaw mo?
Isaw,
Okay, sige.
Betamax.
Ikaw na lang tagakuha ng order, tapos ako na
I'm
lang.
not sure if may Adidas. May Adidas ba yun? Mayroon rin yatang helmet. Helmet? Yung ulo ng manok?
Yan.
Ulo ng manok.
Pagmahal talaga eh.
Sige, ako na lang.
Sige na, kumuha ka na ng order para maubos na natin tong tinda niyo. Dali. Sige na.
Good. Nagpay-pay na si
Gusto din pala
Dodong.
Ala, hindi
Dorong
ganyan.
for
Ganun lang, oh.
Eh, di marunong.
Okay, guys! Meron akong good news sa inyo. Ang barbecue po namin ay 20 pesos na lang per stick. At meron kami special promo! For only 40 pesos ang aming buy one, get one! Galing talaga ng anak ko. Galing.
Lo, parang gago to.
Ay, kuya, ikaw. Gusto mo abil?
Parang gago to.
Ilan? Tatlo? Lima na.
Dude, laugh trip yung mga yan.
Parang,
Kuya.
grabe, buong araw ah.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you
Hardcore.
pa.
Hi, Ate Amy!
Uy! Grace! Parang ngayon lang
Uy,
kita
si
nakita
Grace.
ulit.
Nabisi po kasi sa school,
Yeah,
ate.
this is the daughter of
Tas po
Fiona Loves You.
nakikita.
Ah,
Single pa po
yeah!
siya.
Wow!
See?
Guys, daughter ng author.
Yep.
Pabili po ng 5 barbecue.
Ay, okay, sige. 5 barbecue.
Pahilang na.
Dong, 5 barbecue daw! Sig, 3 Betamax! Dong, 5 isaw daw! Uy, Dong, 4 na Betamax pa daw!
Grabe naman yung kain yan.
Parang zombie.
Uy, Dong, 6 na barbecue pa daw!
Grabe.
Sure ball na mahal mo na talaga yung taong yun. Kung para sa'yo, siya na yung pinakang gwapong lalaki sa paningin mo.
Si Dan may BO ah.
Ang ilapit ni Dan.
Naging love
What are you
guru.
staring at?
Samantalang hindi naman, hindi
tinitingnan
palagi
ko lang kasi
busted
baka
kay,
napapagod ka na eh.
kay Amisil.
Huwag ka assuming ha, baka mamaya iniisip mo na iniisip ko ng gwapo mo kahit pinagpapawisan ka.
Okay.
Bakit ka nakangiti?
Well, it's because I love seeing my special someone smile.
Yan.
Ito ba yung special someone niya?
Ano ba yan?
Paano naman nakakangiti yung barbecue?
Genius talaga, genius.
Grabe yung tingin ni Joseph.
May laman.
Parang hindi na Ezekiel Roswell yan ah.
Hoy, miss! Yung order ko!
Teka, te. Wait lang. Ang taas. O, ate, oh.
Sana maputulan kayo ng kuryente!
Alo, nagbabayad naman kami ha. Over. Galit na galit.
Bad trip.
Ooh.
Ayan na.
Momo, nakikita mo ba yung
Uy, ano to? Ano to?
Love guru.
Malamang, hindi ako bulag.
Hindi bulag. Pero akong matagal na nandito sa harapan mo, di mo man lang nakikita yung halaga ko.
Uy, ba't kayo nandito? Di ba dapat nasa opisina kayo?
Oo nga.
Ay, instant date namin to ni Dong. Di ba, Dong?
Yeah.
Date?
Uy, sabay tayo, Momo. Mukhang soulmate talaga tayo.
Soulmate mo mukha mo. Doon ka sa far away.
Wife, are you awake? I feel like you are hiding something from me.
Dub lang ba yun?
Alam mo na
Yeah,
yung tungkol
yeah.
sa Last Will and Testament?
Yes, but not that. I was beginning to think you were getting threats.
Threats? Baka horoscope. Wala naman akong kaaway eh.
Okay, I guess I was afraid for no reason.
Takot pala si Dodong sa threats. Eh kung takutin ko kaya si Dodo?
Sarap na nang higa ako dito eh.
Ano yun?
Ay, alam ko na.
Takutin ka daw.
Ite-text ko na lang sa kanya yung mga threats.
Ganun ka.
Touch your
Ganun
hair.
tayo. Ganun tayo.
Touch your hair if you love mom daw.
This is a threat. I can see you, Ezekiel Roswell. You should be afraid now. Rar! Ay, P.S. This is not Amy. Sana matakot siya.
Get some rest.
Uli! Di mo lang natakot. Daya. Ba't di ka natakot, Zeke?
Why would I?
Kala ko takot ka sa threats.
Insane.
Ako pa yung insane, ha?
Sino yan?
Sino ba to?
Ako ah.
Ano yan?
I think it's yeah. No. It's,
Yeah.
Akala mo, tatakot mo ko, ha? Hindi.
Sino talaga yun? Si Dan?
No.
Wife,
Dong.
nakapag-meeting na ba kayo ng staff para sa launch?
Ay, hindi pa, pero nakaschedule kami next week. Kailangan lang muna namin mag-meet ni Fiona. Ay, refresh. Hi, Fiona!
Hi.
Shall we start?
I just need to speak to Ezekiel first.
Speak.
In private, Sana.
what's this? Live will end in 4.
Ma, in
50, we have
private pa
detected
siyang nalalaman.
inactivity
Eh, hindi
during-
naman public place tong office
Ah,
nitong.
feeling ko,
Have to. Where
yeah, I think you
the
need
hell
to
is-
move it
What
around.
happened to my mouse?
No. No, Joseph, don't leave.
No.
Huwag mo
Okay na,
ilubog
okay
ang
na.
mudong.
Okay na. Just inactivity.
Ay, tawag ako nga.
It's okay. I'm not gonna go in.
Oh, pati si Icy nandito.
Sige na nga.
Hi, Amy. Napatawag ka?
Wala lang, na-miss lang kita. Kasi wala ka nung nag-beach eh. Sobrang saya namin.
Sorry, medyo busy ako lately. May hinahanap lang.
Ah, talaga? Ano yung hinahanap mo? Gusto mo, tulungan kita.
No need. Kaya ko to.
Ay, kamusta pala yung work mo? I heard papasok kayo sa toy industry.
Ay, oo. Within the month na yung launch nun. Punta ka. Ha?
Yeah, of course. I'll be there with my dad. Alam mo naman si dad. Basta business, palaging present. O siya, kailangan ko nang pumasok, Amy girl. Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Ingat. Love, love!
Exciting. Ano kayang itsura ni Mr. Ferrer, no? Gwapo kaya siya? Ay. Dapat yata isama ko si Mami para may love team siya. Kasi ang alam ko, single yung daddy ni Kai eh. Tama.
Miss Amy, urgent lang po. Kailangan mapirmahan to ni Mr. Roswell ASAP.
Ah, okay. Ako na yan. Thank you. Ano naman to, Kate?
Ooh, some private time. I like this. Ito talaga yung ship ko eh.
Dude, you're gonna have haters.
We need to talk about us.
There's no us.
I swear, I never wanted to hurt you.
Then why did you?
Because someone told me to. Actually, no. Someone actually threatened me to hurt you. Look, I don't know who they are, but they held me at gunpoint and they told me that I need to befriend you, make you fall in love with me, and then take money from you and break your heart. I swear, Ezekiel, I was so afraid. I didn't know what to do, and that's why I broke up with you. Even though I really, really didn't want to. Sorry.
So what? If you think I will feel sympathy for you because of that, think again.
Wait. Please. I love you, and I swear, I never intended to hurt you. You have to believe me.
Get the fuck out of my life.
Do you really love Amy more than me?
Are you a fool?
Stop comparing yourself to my wife. I love her. You are nothing.
You love her? Then maybe she should know you're a mafia boss.
Ooh.
What will she think, Kaya? You think she's gonna accept it? I doubt it. Because no one will accept the real Ezekiel. Only I will love.
Say a fucking word and I'll kill you.
Okay. I won't say a word.
Shay!
But only if you
No.
do something for me.
I don't take orders from anyone.
You don't have a choice, Ezekiel.
Zeke?
Shit. Wife.
How dare you, Joseph?
What?
How dare you?
Sorry sa story.
That girl molested me. I feel so used.
Just let me go.
Stay. Wait. Please.
Just let me go!
Yun, dapat kay Nico na lang siya pumunta eh. Bro, I can't believe you kissed another girl.
Bruh. You don't even call that a kiss. That's just
That's just a last look, eh?
a kiss.
Kiss.
The trauma is real.
Walang slow-mo. Kailangan ko ng slow-mo.
The trauma is real, bruh.
Naguguluhan ako, guys. Ano ba tong nararamdaman ko? Bakit ako nasasaktan? Ano bang meron? Bakit ako nagagalit? Pakiramdam ko parang gusto kong manakit. Sama ba akong tao?
Aray!
What happened? Oh.
Ay, you got two girls fighting over you, Joseph.
Cat fight.
Yeah. I like
Ezekiel is mine. Stupid girl.
Oh, what?
Binabangga mo ko, ah.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Yan na.
Gosh, anong tinatawa-tawa mo?
You're just such a stupid girl.
What? Ooh. What? This is dream sequence.
Yun na yun.
That was so fast.
Medyo malapit.
Just 45 minutes?
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
dude, ang bilis ng episode na yun,
Best
ah.
life ever.
What? I don't
Hello?
understand. Bakit ganun?
Ling? Ala, over the phone po? Ay, wag. Bukas na lang kasi gabi na eh.
Baka maybe they're trying to fix the ender for
Wait
this
mo!
one.
Kailangan mong pumunta dito ngayon sa bahay namin.
Oh, ito na yun.
Ay,
Go.
that
Kasi wala akong
episode.
makapalit bahay niyo eh. Baka maligaw ako. Send ko sa yung address ha.
That was a fun scene.
Tara, let's eat.
Hindi ako nagugutom. Tsaka kailangan ko din umalis.
You're staying here.
Bakit ba ayaw mo akong bigyan ng karapatan na gawin ko ano gusto kong gawin?
Yung nag-aaway na sila, guys.
Wife, please breathe. I love you, and
Sino kausap mo?
fuck. I need to fix this.
Bakit? Si... Tuwang-tuwa ka sa akin, ha? May bayad na yan, ha?
I want to ask you something.
Ano yun? Mahal, sobrang emotional ko. Saksakin nyo na lang ako nitong remote! Hindi kaya. Buntis ako?
Mga bituin.
Buntis ni Amy?
Binuntis mo eh.
Si...
Ano ba?
Hey,
Sino daw eh?
spoiler! Spoiler!
Uy. Kaya ganinin mo ah.
Dude, ang ganda ng episode! Parang... Bida
Guys,
si
thank
Fiona
you so
dun
much for joining us tonight kahit na sobrang late na. Thank you for being with us. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit paano, and it's so nice to catch up with you guys. We'll see you guys soon for episode 12.
Alright, Joseph, you take care, bro. I'ma end my live.
Same. I'll see you tomorrow, bro. If you're free, let's G.
Yeah, Frag Punk. You know what? You should invite them to play. Para madami tayong kalaban.
Ako, baka maging BI pa tayo na, bro.
Alright.
Baka ma-addict sila, dude.
Alright. Alright, I'll let you say goodbye to your fans, bro. Ingat ka. See you tomorrow.
Good night, brother. Thank you for joining me, bro.
Yeah, good night, Owen. Good night, Joseph.
Have a good one, brother.
Mudong forever.
Mudong. So guys, para sa lahat ng sumama sa amin at nanood, pwede na kayong manood ng episode 11 ng Husbands and Affairs. And hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much once again, and kita ko tayo soon. Have a good night, guys.
Bye.
Sweet. Okay, now, paano na yan? Oh, there you go. End live. Bye, guys. Have a good night.